means of communication. 1. Radio. The radio broadcasts the latest local, national, and international news. 2. Television. We can watch news and views from all over the world on TV or television. 3. Newspaper. The newspapers print the latest news. We can read about the important events around us in the newspapers. They also carry advertisements. 4. Letters. We write letters to our relatives and friends who are staying far away. We receive their replies also by post. We come to know all the latest happenings through letters. 5. Telephone. We can talk to people who are away from us by using telephones and cell phones. This helps us to pass on and receive urgent messages. We can make local and long-distance calls over the telephones or cell phones. We have to move from place to place. If the distance is short, we walk. But to go to distant places, we use some means of transport. Let's study what are they. In the villages, bullock carts and horse carts carry people and their luggage from one place to another. In the sandy areas, camels carry people and their luggage from one place to another. In the cities, we find many means of transport. People use cycles, motorcycles, cars, buses, and auto rickshaws to move from one place to another. To carry goods, people use handcarts, tempos, and trucks. To travel long distances, we use buses or trains. The train runs at a great speed and can carry a lot of people. Heavy loads are transported in goods trains. To travel by sea, we use ship. A ship can carry a lot of people. To travel very long distances or to reach certain places faster, we go by aeroplane. The aeroplane is the fastest means of transport.